Maybe move up one.
Before the car finish line, oh, that's always good.
No, I think we both would do that.
You guys get a couple laps in and we'll call them out. Now we're like, I'm going to keep it set by here. 11.509. All right now, 11.509. He's only 3 cents off there. Off on the triple. And the midfield right after the straightaway, it is weird. Look at Harry's back, man. You can take him hard to your top 5.
There's going to be a lot of guys, like guys that have a really good run, like a 3 or
Harry's coming down to 11.503. You run that up
the 27.
Blue mat falls off to 11.580.
He did high, but
Harry's back, man. Hard to take your top 5.
Look at the 12.
Your leader will see where he's at. And now across the line, all three are going on the straightaway. That is your leader. On 11.501 now. Back 26 seconds left. He's going to try to get you a 12-lap pace.
He got double fans going on, I think.
Making his way over the triple. On that, on the side. Wait. Oh, your leader just went a little wrong. That's under the 2 laps. He's still on all 4. He does this time by trying to get that 12-lap pace.
That Mike Oscar guy coming from Mansfield.
Yeah, you take his cars in your top 5.
He kept asking me about your buddies and stuff. I was like, dude, go talk.
Put some pressure on here. Looking back to second with an 11.505. Frankie with a 12 or 10.502. Nick 10.506 and Carson 10.514. With it on 2 victory ladies drivers. Oh, looks like second place took the wrong way. Going straight to the 2 game. It might be slow. That was Eric. And it is not looking good.
Hell yeah.
Oh, man.
Hey, I have GTV2 at home.
I actually got another one of these.
I looked for something last night, and when I went downstairs, I actually was like, man, I wonder if I still got that, because I knew I had one. It doesn't, like, I think my kid plugged it in backwards.
Yeah.
But I still had it because, you know, when Novak went out of business, I just sort of kept it.
I still got well, I got one. I got a carpet car. I got one in it, and I also got one the 4-wheel drive I'm running this weekend
I still have the Adam and the Cyclone that work.
Yeah,
and the Rhino Charger.
Yeah, I still got my Digipeak, but I got the Millennium Charger yet.
And he brought me the first gen big ass Cobra belt driven tire lathe.
Yeah.
He brought that up to me about 2 months ago because I had it at his house in the basement.
I still got my Trinity motor lathe too, so.
Thank you. I got a tire flat of Midnight 2s from a handout race. No stickers on them, no brushes, never soldered on them.
Yeah. I don't think I got any Midnight 2s, but I got the later ones.
Yeah,
from handouts. Yeah.
They're used. I got a bunch of used shit from handouts.
Yeah.
You know, back when we used to actually have to do one just like charge and put your stuff in your car.
Yeah. Oh, people got it so easy nowadays.
I still got my Phantom Dyno.
Yeah, I got my Tekin Dyno.
I still got a Racer's Edge brush for different.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Serrator, running in there and it's
Yeah.
I bet I got 200 sets of Reedy 767s.
Yeah.
Like 3 races out the door.
I think it's 100 set of Orion serrated brushes from before they went to the Revolution brush. But
I might still have some 77 44
yeah, I got some 4499s around yet.
I probably, well, yeah, those are the stock ones. The 77 or 44, whatever, it was the model.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we still got our old stuff around. Got my original T3.
I don't have no old cars.
Yeah.
Just all the old brush stuff.
Yeah.
What happened, Randy? I heard him talking about it. I can hear it over the, talking over the